My name is Catherine Eade. You can check out recipes on my blog at thebeanpost.wordpress.com. Today I'm going to show you a fun recipe for cacao-dusted almonds. Cacao is a wonderful superfood. Here I have cacao powder as well as cacao nibs, both of which can be found at a local health food store. I also have some salt, some honey, you can also use agave nectar, and about a cup of whole raw almonds. We're going to start with the almonds in a mixing bowl. 1 cup for about a tablespoon or so of honey or agave. And we're just going to stir them up and put them on a baking sheet with some salt. They're going to go into the oven for 5 or 10 minutes until they're just lightly roasted. This recipe can also be made raw using a dehydrator if you have one at home. We would follow the same process here and then put them on a dehydrator sheet for about 8 hours. In your oven, a low temperature is fine, or for a faster process, about 350 degrees for 5 or 10 minutes. And they're going to go onto the baking sheet in a single layer. And in they go. Here we have our almonds honey roasted. They just came out of the oven. They smell wonderful. We're going to put them quickly into a mixing bowl, and then we're going to start covering them with our cocoa powder. We're using unsweetened cocoa powder or cacao powder. You can find cocoa powder at any grocery store. Raw cacao powder, which is what I'm using today, can be found at any health food store. We're just going to dust them lightly. We're using about equal parts honey and unsweetened cocoa. So here we have about a tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. This is a wonderful treat to make around the holidays or Valentine's Day. Looks really nice. And then we're just nice addition I love to do, some cacao nibs thrown right on top. The sticky sweetness of the honey will draw all this chocolate to each nut. And there you have it. They can set out in a nice bowl on the counter. Simple snack. You can make it in just a couple minutes. We just made cacao-dusted almonds. My name is Catherine Eade, and for more recipes and information, you can check out thebeanpost.wordpress.com.